guys, welcome back. I wanted to start today's video with a little haul of things I got from YESSTYLE. So if you don't know what YESSTYLE is, it's basically a website that's a hub for a bunch of Korean beauty and skincare. Basically, I wanted to change up my skincare routine because I have been using two products from The Ordinary, the lactic acid 10% and the squalene. And the squalene is perfectly fine. It moisturizes my skin beautifully. I use it as a last step oil. But the lactic acid has caused a bunch of small bumps and texture on my skin, which I've never had before, and it's really bothering me. So I thought I would go back to my roots of Asian skincare and try out some old favorites and also some new items to hopefully improve the overall texture of my skin. So I'm going to start off with these two samples they sent me. They sent me this aloe collagen mask. I'm not really a huge fan of sheet masks, so we'll see how this one goes. And then I also got 4 little tubes of the Propolis Vitamin Synergy serum. I also wanted to mention that even though they're shipping from Asia, the shipping was really fast. I think this took exactly a week to arrive to my house, and that's in the middle of a pandemic. So I'm pretty sure on a normal basis, they're really fast with their shipping. So the first item I purchased is actually an old favorite of mine. It's the Cosi Soft Emo Cleansing Oil. So I wear waterproof makeup because I have straight lashes, so I need waterproof mascara to keep a curl. And this is like the only oil that gets it off. And I had been using the Garnier Micellar water, but it's so wasteful in my opinion to use cotton rounds every time you need to remove your makeup, and even their waterproof removing formula took me many times to get off my mascara. So this is amazing. You literally just put it on your face when it's dry as an oil, and then when you wash it, it emulsifies into a milky liquid and it cleanses your skin. So I like to double cleanse, oil first, then water-based gel cleanser, and it makes my skin feel super refreshed and clean. And I'm hoping that's what's been clogging up my skin because I haven't been doing a double cleanse recently. The next product I got is a cult favorite. It's the Biore UV Watery Essence SPF 50 Aqua Sunscreen. So if you haven't been already, start putting sunscreen on every day. This one is so affordable. I think it's under $10. And I wear sunscreen every day, regardless of if I even leave the house or have makeup on, just so that even UV rays through my window are not going to harm my skin and cause premature aging. This is a great starter sunscreen because it doesn't leave a watery film and it doesn't smell like that tacky sunscreen smell, and I really love it, so definitely check this out. The next thing I got is this COSRX Low pH Good Morning Gel Cleanser. So it says it's formulated with purifying botanical ingredients and it works to soften the skin without the stripping feeling. This is the thing I'm the most excited about. This was the most expensive thing I purchased. I think it was $16 to $20, that range. And this is the COSRX Advanced Snail Mucin Power Essence. So basically it's the snail gel. Okay, these I'm really excited about just because they seem so fun. So these are the foot peeling masks, and I have the crustiest feet. Like if you met anyone who knows me, they'll tell you I have dry heels. I don't know why. I think it's genetic. My mom has it too. So I got these masks from Purederm, and I think it's just a sock-shaped sheet mask type thing, and then you put it on, and then 4 days later your whole foot, the skin basically peels off. I'm so excited to try this, and maybe I'll film it. Okay, so I'm so excited about this next thing. It's a kit of skincare tools. So I'm sure you guys have all seen those videos of people using the metal loops to get the gunk in your nose out, and I really wanted that because I'm always just using my hands and it's like not sanitary. So this comes with a bunch of different tools in a little case, which is really nice, and I'm super excited to try it out because I hate looking in the mirror and just seeing my little tiny pores clogged up, and it's gonna be so satisfying to just scrape it all out. And then the last thing I got is the Misha Magic Cushion. I've been wanting to switch to cushion foundations for a while now, just because I am tired of liquid. It just makes my face feel really cakey and gross. And I also hate having to use setting powder because then it makes me look more cakey. So cushion is kind of best of both worlds. So it's a cute little compact, has a mirror, which is really great. And then it comes with the little, the cushion, I guess. But anyways, I'm just gonna keep enjoying my matcha and I'll take you through anything else I do today. So hope you guys enjoyed this skincare haul. I'll link the items in the description box if you wanna go check it out and buy it for yourself. And remember, again, if you don't wear sunscreen, start wearing sunscreen today. So if you're wondering what I'm doing looking like this, I'm basically doing an armpit detox so that I can transition to natural deodorant. Basically, normal deodorant has a lot of aluminum and parabens, which ends up being sucked into your lymph node area and staying there. And so what this mask does is it draws out those toxins so that you can have fresh armpits to start natural deodorant. And since natural deodorant isn't as strong, you need to do this detox so that your body can adjust quickly and so that you stop smelling bad for as long. So what I do for the mask is I have this bentonite clay, which can also be used on your face, and you mix it with apple cider vinegar and water to create a paste. So that's what I've been doing every day for 3 or 4 days, and I'm gonna continue for a week.